Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as well, you also know it very well that there is very less volatility in the market since yesterday because of the Thanksgiving. Most of the traders are gone for a holiday, so we have very less participation in the market right now. As a result, the volatility is extremely low, except the JPY pairs. JPY pairs are having good volatility for the last couple of hours. I was about to say last couple of months. Anyways, this is the condition of Euro USD right now. Market is extremely flat. Okay, extremely flat. You can see market is just already we have a very narrow range here, and market is unable to reach these levels also. So just look at the condition here. So market is pathetic right now. So honestly, okay, if you have a buy position or sell position, whatever you have, you can continue with your buy or sell position, because I think that only next week you will be having some proper movement. But if you are looking for fresh opportunity or fresh window on Euro USD, then this is not the currency for the day because of less volume. And keep in mind, overall in the market today you will be find you'll not find huge participation of the trader. As a result, there will be very less volatility, and as the liquidity is low, so there may be some huge fluctuations in the market as well. So be very careful, especially new traders, beginners, and those who have a very limited amount of capital right now. Please avoid trading and start trading from the next week. Okay, so being a trader, there are some disciplines that you should follow always. So first of all, do we have any opportunity here? Then yes, we have, but I do not think so market will give us that opportunity. So first of all, if Euro USD goes up to the level of 1.1250 to 1.1270 level, there is a possibility of market reversal. Because see, looking at the present condition of the market, one thing is very much certain, that market does not have the buying power. So in case it climbs up to the level here, then definitely it will be struggling at this level, and if it reverses from this level, then we can take a sell position at this particular level. On the other hand, if market breaks below the level of 1.1188, or if market crosses this level, okay, let's assume that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market and market starts falling, then definitely we can take a sell position below this level. Yes, there is a possibility, because this is a chart of DXY here, and you can see DXY or US dollar. Yes, though it is flat, not much volatility in the market, but still it is taking support at the trend line. It has come down to the support of the trend line, and if DXY starts bouncing from this level, definitely we may see some selling on Euro USD again. And if DXY fails to take support, then it has a next support at 96.50 to 96.40 level. Okay, so DXY, if it fails to break, no, if it fails to bounce from a trend line, this level will be acting as a support, and whenever DXY will bounce, we may see some selling on Euro USD. So be careful and keep your eyes on DXY as well. And the only trading opportunity is selling at this particular level of 1.1250 to 70, and if it reverses, keep in mind reversal is extremely important, and if it breaks the level of 1.1188 level, then also we can take a sell position. But whatever you do, just get the proper confirmation from the DXY, and if possible, try to avoid trading for today because of less volatility. And most importantly, if you find that there is no volume in the market is totally flat, completely avoid the market. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow with the analysis for the next week.